friends, welcome to my channel. Here you can watch all the interesting and practical videos. All the content of this channel is based on the reliable medical sources of the world, and the available instructions have been tested by countless people and are 100% real and doable. So feel free, use these formulas, and enjoy the results. Today I am with you with another video, so stay with me until the end.
Vitality of skin and hair primarily depends on proper nutrition and avoiding stress. But using natural masks is also an effective step for skin and hair vitality. Frizzes are a nuisance to the hair, and the best way to get rid of them is to apply rosemary to the tips of your hair from time to time. Hair massage to treat frizz with rosemary. For this purpose, you should pour 5 drops of rosemary oil on your palm and massage your hair with it. It is better to do this after shower and on clean hair. You can mix rosemary oil with pure coconut oil or jojoba oil. Rinsing the hair after using these oils is optional, but if you are going to rinse, be sure to let the rosemary oil stay on your hair for at least 10 minutes for hair growth and the effect of stopping hair loss. Strengthening and treating hair loss with infused rosemary. Put the leaves of the plant in a container and let it boil with some water. After 5 minutes, rosemary tea is ready. This drink has strong antibacterial properties that stop the growth of fungi and dandruff. If the solution boils for a while longer, its color will be darker and it can be used for washing hair. Do not forget that you should not wash your hair after use. Strengthening and treating frizz with rosemary vinegar. Crush fresh rosemary and mix with apple cider vinegar. Keep it in a glass container for 2 to 4 weeks. After shampooing, mix a quarter glass of rosemary vinegar with half a glass of water and use it to wash your hair. Do not wash your hair after that. This makes the hair shiny and soft. Strengthening and treating hair loss with this oil. Instead of buying ready-made rosemary oil, you can make it yourself at home. Crush fresh rosemary leaves well to extract its juice. Then put it in a glass bottle and combine it with coconut oil. Keep the bottle in a dry and dark place for 2 to 4 weeks. Now the rosemary oil is ready. Use this oil to treat dandruff, increase hair shine while massaging the scalp. Treatment using daily shampoo. Add rosemary essential oil to your shampoo or conditioner daily to nourish your hair. For this, it is enough to use 10-12 drops of rosemary essential oil per ounce of shampoo or conditioner. Rosemary natural hair mask. The combination of honey and oil or edible juice of rosemary and olive oil is a mask that can save your hair from frizz. The combination of these ingredients makes the hair regain its health. Leave this mask on your hair for 3 to 4 hours, then rinse with lukewarm water. After using this mask, rinse your hair with a mild shampoo, and after 1 month of using this mask, you will see that the frizz at the end of your hair has been destroyed.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for being with me. If you like the video, please like it. Every week, a lot of interesting videos are posted on the channel, so subscribe now and press the bell button.